All right, guys, changing out an air duct on a 2006 Ford F150, 2004 through 2008, I believe it fits. Now, what you're going to do is, here's your new one, and your new one has these tabs right here that go in and lock inward. Let me show you where that's at. Now, the easiest way is to turn it so it's vertical, straight up and down, and then your tab is going to be on the bottom and up on top. All right, so there's one of the tabs. That's why if you turn it, so you can do it this way too if you want, but the easiest is to put it up, straight up and down. There's one of your tabs, and that's your other tab right there. All right, so you can use a pick or a box end. Either way, it doesn't make a difference. They both work the same way. Now, what we're going to do is we're just going to take this end, it's bent downward, and we're just going to send that dude in right here. And then what you want to do is you want to lock onto it, and then you're just going to give it a little bit of a tug on it, just like this. And there it is. All right, so let me show you how this is done. So basically what you're doing is you're just reaching in behind here, and you're grabbing a hold of the plastic tab, and you're just pulling a little bit of pressure up on it while you're pulling out. Don't use a lot of force, it'll come right out, just like you saw on my video how it just went flying out. Or here's what it looks like when it's out. And then all you have to do now to install it, you're just going to take and put in the new one and just push it straight in until it locks into place. And now you got working air ducts. And so just double check that they're locked back, but again, the tabs will be behind and they lock in place, so you can't pull them out anymore.